Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and there's no doubt about it, it is BTTX. Now, interesting. First of all, you can see that it had the nice big pop in the pre-market. This is this pink area right here. This started trading as BTTX on Friday. Let me just show you what the daily chart looks like. So it started trading as BTTX on Friday. This was a SPAC merger, and it did absolutely nothing. I mean, look at it, right around the normal SPACs are around that $10 level. Did really nothing. No clue that this was going to happen, and there was no specific news on it that I can see, okay? But, who cares? I mean, this is what it's done. Now, the interesting thing for me is that this got halted at 1507, right around here, and in fact, I think it got halted a little earlier. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to, I was just distracted enough that I wasn't able to get into it. I was really beating myself up. But you know what I did? I put a price alert right about this level. I thought if it could take out this high right there, actually it was right around here, sorry, 1825. If it could take out this right there, I'd be very interested if it did it on volume. And that's exactly what happened. It tore through this on volume. Just take a look at the volume right there, and it just kept going higher. So I got in this one at around 1837, got out some at 1935. I didn't want to see it have a big move down. Got some out more at 2139-ish, and now I've got just a little bit left, but look at this move. And of course it has no resistance because this is an all-time high. So tremendous. And now I think in the trading room, many took this one. So no question about it, this is the stock of the day. So I want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, here's an email address you can use. Now the promo code you'll see is still alive and kicking. 11:59 p.m. tonight Eastern time. It should expire, but you can still get 25% off Trade Ideas, okay? Either the first month only or the entire year of a subscription. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.